So, I have a new phone. It's a Infinix Note 12. Yes, Infinix Note 12. I was what do you call this? I was downloading some Minecraft Minecraft APK, and when it done to download, I go to File Manager and find the APK, and I try to install, but it did work. It's always like this. It did work. I don't know why. Someone said that go to package installer, which means I go to settings. Where's the settings? Settings. Oh no. And go to app manager, app list, and go to find the three dots and search package installer. So I go there. I follow all the steps. I clean storage and done. But the problem is the force stop. It's not allowed. I don't know why. I think in any phone it's allowing to force stop any application in any phone, but in the Infinix, no, it's not allowed. So we're done to cleaning this thing. We're done to clear the storage and clear cache. I don't know what to call that. And let's restart and go to file manager and go to APKs and trying to download again or install. After that, this will be gonna show up. But if I go to app info, it's just the same. It's a package installer. Clean it again. But how I can force stop is this? How I can force stop? I don't know. I'm also confusing. What can I do? Even the Minecraft 1.18, I mean 1.17 don't even work. Yes, that sucks. Only Mobile Legend and Call of Duty I did played in here in this phone. I think if someone knows who if someone knows how to fix this, please you can comment down below if you know. I really wanted to fix this. I was planning to reset my phone, this phone that I'm using right now. I was planning to reset, but I'm so I'm so scared, because if something that happened in this phone, I might be grounded to my mom, and I don't want to happen that again. All right. And yep, I was planning to what do you call this, to reset this phone. Actually, this phone was what do you call this, have a problem before. This was not okay, and my mom just fixed this in the technician. But I was thinking that I think the technician that fixed this, I think he got some error. Yes, I know. I think it's error. For my opinion, I think it's a error condition in this kind of phone, because I'm never mind. Close off. It's just like that. If you install, nothing's happened. It's just like that. It's just like this. Just like this. It's not even installing. Even this Android, this bypass, anything apps that I download in here. I mean APK, not in the Play Store. Not in the Play Store. Like when I download some, like let's say Shadow Fight 2 mod APK, we download that and to download this. Like we are downloading some APK apps. Wait, let me just cut. So we are now downloading. We are now downloading Black. Bruh. So we are downloading now. And wait, we need just wait till this done. So we're almost. So we're done. Alright, that's right. Installing. Also same. It's the same things. It's all same. It's the same installing. Install. Did it work? It did. It did not. It did not work. Where's the files manager? Just like that. Download. It did not work. Download again. It did not work. I don't know why. I think we should just delete this all, I think, and let's try to download again. Where's the Chrome, and let's try to download Minecraft 1.20. Where's the latest? Not 20. Let's try 0.15. Here's 15. Download that. I think I will just gonna cat in here. So we're waiting. I don't know why. What is the problem of this thing? I even watch in YouTube how to fix the problem of package installing, but for me it's a big different from them. I watching some tutorial how to fix this, how I don't care, whatever. I do anything. I follow them still. I follow all the steps that the tutorial said. I did not missing some tutorial, but I follow all, but it's still not work. I really don't know what is wrong with this. So same thing, same happen. Install did work. Always saying package installing has stopped. What do you mean? Close up. What's happened? There's nothing happened, bro. I even tried to download and share it, but it's just the same. It's the same stalling. It's just the same. It's all same. Let's go, bro. What the hell is? Yo, don't, bro. Sorry. Apologize to the people that saw that. I don't know what is happening in the ads. Okay. Files. Go to files. Same thing. Download again. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's not working anymore. Bro, if someone really knows how to fix this, please can you say, can you comment down below? I really need to fix this thing. I really need. Here's the proof that I watching Here's where's the here the how to force stop the package installing on Phoenix in Phoenix. How to trans no what not that. It's the how to install. Alright, not that. Something went wrong. Alright, package. That's all. I watched tutorial, but it did not work. I don't know why. Yeah, I think that's